Hi, welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new topic, types of variable. In the previous video we have already discussed what is a random variable or how we can define random variable. Today our topic is types of random variable. Generally there are two types of random variable, discrete random variable and continuous random variable. So first of all we can define in here discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. The variable which can assume finite or countable set of values is called discrete random variable. The variable which can assumes finite or infinite or countable infinite set of values. Set of value is called discrete random variable. It must be finite or countable infinite set of value is called discrete random variable. The variable which can takes another definition we can write the variable which take by jumps or by gaps. Gaps is called discrete random variable. This is another definition, means all values which can jumps or by gaps is called discrete random variable. Generally discrete random variable represents counts data. It must be in a whole number. Is discrete random variable. For example, there are some examples we are taking. The number of customers arriving at bank central, we have examples of discrete random variable. First example we are taking the number of customers arriving at bank center. That is called discrete random variable. Another example we have the number of sepals on a flower. The monthly income of a college professor. The number of books in a library. Number of accidents. At Peshawar city. As these are the general example of we have done 3 and 4 and 5. These are the general 5 example of discrete random variables which can countable. Why this is discrete random variable? Because the number of customers arriving at bank center, so these are customers we can also countable, because for example if we count at 5 minutes interval and 10 minutes intervals, how the number of customers arriving at bank center at 10 minutes interval, so we can count these data. The number of sepals on a flower we can also countable. The monthly income of a college professor, it is known that that is discrete random variable. So the number of books in a library, how many books are available in the books, these are countable data, so we can This is called discrete random variable. The number of accidents at Peshawar city per month, for example. So this will be also countable discrete random variable. So another types we have the second types, that is continuous random variable. Continuous random variable, the variable which can assume assumes any values between the interval. Interval is like that A and B. For here A must be less than B. For examples, and our daily lives we have, this is example. For example, time is a continuous random variable because it will change after day to day, second and minute to minute. And also height is height, weight, temperature, and these are the generally example of continuous random variable. Generally continuous random variable represents mirror data. Mirror data is called discrete random variable. So this is the main difference. Continuous random variable is generally represent countable data, and here generally continuous random variable represent mere data. So these are the difference between continuous and discrete random variable. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.